First I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With his swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.
Okay everyone, just heading out bush. Go meet up with Joshy from Chasing Gold Australia. Hopefully the rain will hold off for a bit longer. I'll be taking out the monster today I think, but we'll see what happens. Alright, we'll see you there. Righto everyone, pulled up to where Joshy is, found his car over here. Must be here somewhere. Oh wait, here he is.
He's back.
He's back, yeah. Say hi Josh.
Hi Josh.
Alright, here's his channel, Chasing Gold Australia. Oh, he's famous anyway. What's this one? Treasure and Adventure? Well, there we go.
It's detected.
Detected, yeah. Good, all good blokes. Yep.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So what are we doing today, Josh?
Getting gold.
Getting gold. Oh, chasing gold.
Yeah, I know, getting gold.
Getting gold, yeah. Okay, all right. Yeah.
All right, mate. Let's get into it.
Let's get into it. Yeah. All right. Well, we'll do it then. I'll go get my monster out today and have a poke around. Let's do it. Yeah, g'day everyone. So I got this signal here finally. Sort of going both ways on the scale with the monster. So just gonna try and dig it up. It's just in the side of this mallee keep here, so see if I can find it. And might be, it's hard to tell sometimes with a monster if you got it in the scoop or not, but there we go, she's in the scoop now. Sounds good. I'm just gonna whack that there. Alright, yeah, and it is gold. I think it is. Oh, actually, it's actually a bit of lead, I think. Or is it gold? Hang on, gotta give it a clean. No, I think that's a bit of lead. Bit of lead. Sounded good though. Where are we? Looked like gold from a distance, but yeah, that's the way it goes. Chick, chick, boom. Alright guys, on to the next one. Oh no. Oh, pressure. Right everyone, we're going to dig this target. That's right about here somewhere. Hopefully you can see that. So we'll see how we go. It's in this nice, real kind of sandy wash that's been thrown out by the old timers. I've already got a couple of pieces today. Oh. Yeah, that, yeah, she's screaming, yeah. Yeah, I'm out here with Josh from Chasing Gold Australia. Keeping him in line.
Living the dream.
Living the dream. Oh, that might be deeper than what I thought. Yeah. But yeah, just been out with Josh today.
Living the dream.
Having a bit of fun with him. Yeah, he's picked up some good gold too, so it's all small, but you don't throw it back to get bigger, do you? It's not like fishing. But if you do want to throw it back, let me know. I'll be happy to look after it. Well, in the scoop now. In the hand now, I think. Unless I dropped it. That's the thing, it's kind of wet now and it's kind of sticking to the scoop, so yeah, finally in my hand. Can't see anything visible yet. Oh, now I can. It's not a bad bit too, actually. It is stuck to conglomerate, which is typical for this spot. So there's that bit there. I don't know if you can see that or not.
Lower. Bit lower.
Bit lower?
Higher.
Yeah. Alright, there you go. Hopefully it focuses in too, but I'll take a picture of that, guys, and I'll put that up. But yeah, no, that was booming. Yeah, happy with that. Happy days. On to the next one, guys. Cheers.
When first I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold.